Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll be solving Codeforces Round 1059, Def 3. So for problem A, beautiful average, we are asked to find the maximum average around every possible average. What does every possible mean here? It means you can choose any L and any R. For example, consider this array 3, 1, 4, 9. You can choose to start here and in here to take this range. You can also take this subarray. You can also take this subarray and all of these subarrays. So between all of the subarrays, you're required to find the average. So the maximum average between all of the subarrays. That's the question. So for this problem, we can note something about the average. Average is, for example, consider, of course, we want the biggest thing, right? So of course, we would be interested in the maximum element. Why? Because the maximum element, we want for the average to be bigger. Of course, we want the summation to be bigger. So we can focus on choosing the maximum numbers. But wait, what will happen if I pick the maximum number with something else, like something smaller than it or something higher than it or anything like that? What will happen? Will it be increased in any way? Ever. Why? Because if I choose 9 with something less than it, so the average will be decreased. If I choose the maximum with something equal to it, like 9 and 9, it will be the same. Okay? So, and you can say, okay, but what if I choose 9 with 10? I'll tell you this is invalid. Why? Because I told you to in the beginning, we will start by the maximum number. So what does this mean? I'm starting from the maximum number, and I shouldn't, if I go to my left or to my right, I'll decrease or I'll be the same. So why go to the left or to the right? Just stop and pick the maximum number. So the answer here is just the maximum number. Let's see the code. I'm coding in Python. So if anyone wanna the answer in C++ in any of the coming questions, just tell me. Anyway, just read the array, the numbers, pick the maximum. Can it be solved in any other way? Yes. Why? Because n is just 10. So you don't have to think clearly. You can just literally brute force over all of the subarrays and then find the answer. And that's it for problem A.